Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Very impressive si Bird. Pero, pero Coach, do you think meron pa siya ilalabas as abang siguro lalo siya mapibreak in for the rest of the series?
I think so. Actually, ngayon nga lang na-meet yung mga key players si JB. Kasi kagabi nung dumating siya, the third group yung nag-practice. It's hard for JB to adjust right away, but I told him to not pressure himself. Kasi yung kailangan talaga lang namin sa kanya is yung a little help from everything, which is very big factor for us. He got 13 rebounds and he played defense, good defense. I think may lalabas pa yan. Sakali lang maging komportable pa siya doon sa mga kasamahan niya. And ang importante lang talaga sa amin is very humble. I mean, he played in the NBA but NBA, but he's very humble.
Coach, sa lahat nung nakalistang mga suggestions na pwede niyang palitan siya, no? Ba't si Jabari yung
I think he is the best available talent na nasa Asia. Yun yung factor. I mean, I try to find an import na nandito sa Asia ngayon because we don't want to send an import na nandun pa sa US and then it's late na. I mean, he will be arrived here by Saturday and then a lot of things that we need to do. So, yun yung factor na nandito siya sa Asia plus the fact na available siya. So, hulog na langit din. Dahil, wala eh. I mean, after nung game 1, on that night, me and the management, Boss Al, told me na if you can find an import na mas makakatulong sa atin. So, yun. I mean, siya yung available na meron chance na matulungan kami. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung papakita niya ngayon because we're relying on the agent and on the highlights. But good thing, ang talagang pinag-aralan ko lang is how he play and then what is the character, and I talked to him on that last yun nga, after ng game 1 I talked to him doon sa phone in some interviews and then yun, ang nakita ko lang is yung character niya medyo maayos. So yun, nag-decide ako na kuhaan siya.